You can't hold me down. 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 You can't hold me.
Alright guys, I'm getting ready to show you how to exchange the battery in PlayStation 3 wireless controller. This is the newer version, so it's going to have the smaller plug-in for the battery. Over the last year, I think I started having problems with the controller charging. As you can see, it's completely dead right now. At first, I think for the first year when it started doing it, it just wouldn't hold a charge, so I could still plug it in and play. But once I unplugged it, it wasn't holding a charge. And then recently, it also won't hold a charge here. If I turn it on, it'll light up and then it'll just go off. So if you're having that same problem, you might be able to also just change out the battery. I did actually take this one apart because this one has a problem with this isn't working. This is the older model, so this battery in this controller didn't fit in this one. But I'll put the link at the bottom if you're looking for the batteries to replace a battery in your controller. Okay, I ordered 2 batteries because that's the only option I could find. It wasn't selling it individually, but 2 is fine. I got these for 13 bucks. Let me show you how it came packaged. And the older ones and the newer controllers are different plugins. The older ones are a little bit bigger than the newer versions. So there's 2 batteries, and it looks like it even came with the screwdrivers to change it out, which I didn't need. I have my own set, but cool that they sent these. See what they got in here. Yeah, just send a little bit of everything. Doesn't look like they don't have a Phillips in there, which is what I need. Yeah, they do. Right there's the Phillips. You can see the different types of head. I'm gonna focus in. Looks like star, star, straight. I don't even know what that is. And then Phillips. And this is kind of to wedge in there to wedge things apart. So all you need to do is take out these 4 screws. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, put it in fast forward, and show you what it looks like when I'm done. I'm just going to grab this whole part right here and try to pull it away from this gray area. And do it to both sides so you get it kind of loose. Keep on working at it. There it comes. Here's what the old one looks like. Let's see. So I'm just gonna pop that back in there. The new one in there. Now if this comes apart, you're just gonna push this back down in there. That gray thing goes in, or that clear piece goes up in there, and then you just work it back together. Make sure everything's working. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put those screws back in. Alright, now I'm going to put this on the charger, let it charge, and then I don't know if that fixed my issue. Alright, turn the PlayStation on, plugged it in, push the PS button, and the controller's working. It's charging. So hopefully this helps. If you guys have a controller that stops working, easy fix. I just spent 13 bucks for 2 batteries, and it's much cheaper than actually buying a controller. Girl might want to see this.
He's gonna get his ass busted. That's the boy does. You're gonna get your ass whooped.